Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to draw trees in three different ways, like in easy way, in normal way, in a hard way. Let's start the video by starting in a easy way. Draw two parallel lines. Join these lines. See our trees ready in a easy way. It's very easy to draw trees. Okay. You know that trees are very important for us. Trees has many benefits. Like they provide us food, wood, shelter, they clean the air, they reduce the air pollution. Oh, our normal one is also ready. Okay, now we are going to draw a hard one. It's very easy to draw tree in a master way. You can draw it with the help of some basic lines and matching these lines with the help of your pen tip. Keep drawing. Okay, let me know what is your favorite tree. Mine is mangoes tree. I love mangoes, so mango tree is my favorite. Now it's time to color the trees. Grab a fresh green color and color all the leaves part. Keep coloring, keep coloring, keep coloring. Okay. Do you know that leaves change their colors in different seasons, but in spring seasons they look so fresh, so green. So basically trees has green color, so make it a green color. For stem you can use a brown color. You know, brown has many shades. You can choose your own shade of brown to color your stem. Your tree is ready. You know, trees start from the letter T. Yes, from the letter T. How to write T? Writing a line and then a vertical line. Your tea is ready. Bye bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.